For the activity to go along with this lesson, we're going to make a snowstorm in a jar. So what I have done already is I filled my jar up with baby oil 2/3 of the way full. You want to make sure it's not full. And then after you do that, you want to mix 1/4 cup of water and a little bit of white acrylic paint in a separate cup until it's all mixed together. And then you can add your 1/4 cup of water and white acrylic paint into the baby oil. And then after that, you can add glitter if you would like. I'm gonna add some glitter in mine. And then you're going to take the Alka-Seltzer tab, which I have broken up into 2 pieces, and drop it in, and that should do the reaction.